Learn to create citations and bibliographies using Zotero in Microsoft Word with NUS libraries. Once you have downloaded Zotero onto your device and learned to organize your Zotero library, you can use and cite in Microsoft Word with Zotero. We will cover how to 1. Install the Zotero citation add-in for Microsoft Word. 2. Insert and edit citations. 3. Generate the bibliography. 4. Use or change citation styles. And 5. Manage Zotero codes. Step 1. Installing the citation add-in. Go to your Zotero desktop installed on your device, click on Edit, then Settings. A window will pop up. Select Cite and scroll down until you see under Microsoft Word there is a button called Install Microsoft Word Add-in. Make sure your Microsoft Word application is closed before the installation. Click the button to proceed with the installation. Once the installation is complete, open your Microsoft Word application again. The installation is successful if you see Zotero in the toolbar menu. To use the Zotero add-in, open a Word file that you would like to work on. We will run through some citation style basics and how to cite and add bibliographies. Step 2a. Insert citations in Microsoft Word. To insert a citation, click on the location of the text where you want the citation to be added. Go to the Zotero toolbar menu and click Add/Edit Citation. A red search bar pops up, which you use to search for the reference you want to add. You can search by author, title, or year. Select the reference in the drop-down suggested list and hit Enter or click OK to auto-cite that reference in Microsoft Word. Step 2b. Edit and add to citations. To edit the citation that you added, select the citation and click on Add/Edit Citation again. The red search bar pops up and you can click on the citation to edit. A small window will pop out that allows you to add details such as page numbers, prefix and suffix, and omit author if needed. Step 3. Generate the bibliography. Once you have some citations added to your document, you can insert a bibliography. Click on the location of the document to add the bibliography and select the Zotero toolbar menu, Add Edit Bibliography. All formatting of the bibliography are done in Microsoft Word, which includes font size, line spaces, hanging paragraphs. If you wish to edit the formatting, you can use the usual formatting functions available in Microsoft Word. Step 4a. Changing citation styles. To change the citation style used for your document, click on the Zotero toolbar menu, select Document Preferences, which will pop up a window to select available citation styles. If the citation style you want is not in the list, you can select Manage Styles, which will open another window. In that window, there's an option for Get Additional Styles to install more citation styles. Step 4b. On finding a citation style. There are more than 10,000 citation styles available in Zotero, thanks to the volunteers around the world who contributed to the repository. Use the search function to find what you need. Step 5. Managing Zotero codes. Before you submit or share your Word document, save the original file with Zotero codes for your future edits. Name the file as with Zotero codes or something you can differentiate. Then save a new copy of the exact same file for sharing with others. In this second file, click on the Zotero toolbar menu, click on Unlink Citations to remove the Zotero codes. This file can be shared or submitted to others without Zotero codes. Sharing files with Zotero codes can corrupt the file, so it is recommended to share or submit the file without Zotero codes. Hope this video is useful for your Zotero adventure. If you need more information, visit the NUS Library's Reference Management Library Guide, libguides.nus.edu.sg/reference management. If you need more help, go to the Zotero Tech Support at www.zotero.org/support/getting_help. It is a community-based help platform.